this is Aisha of Aisha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am glad that you're here because I am going to be sublimating on these keychains. Remember, I showed you this keychain in my Temu unboxing and shopping haul that I did. I'm going to be linking the video right here in the card section just in case you did not see it. I'm also going to be sublimating on this lanyard, okay? So what I'm going to be doing, these are going to be for me. I bought these for my daughter to put her keys on because she did break her keychain. So I'm going to be, I bought these for her, but I don't know the design that she wants. I'm going to let her show me that, but I know the design that I want on mine. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to sublimate on these. And also I'm going to sublimate the same design on this lanyard. So this will be for me to put my work keys on, all right? So I have went into Canva and I'm going to show you what I have done. I have did a design that I did before, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to resize the design that I did to fit on both of these, okay? So I'm going to go into Canva, show you what I've done. So the design that I'm showing you is in my Etsy shop, so make sure you go and shop my Etsy shop. I have my Etsy shop linked in the description box below, so make sure you go and check it out, all right? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all, so now I am in Canva, and I've already done my design in Canva. Now, this design right here is going to be for the keychain, and I'm also going to put this same design on my lanyard, okay? So the design that I have here is one that I've already designed before, and it is in my Etsy shop, okay? So what I've done, I have went here and resized it. Now the size that I'm using is 1 by 11 inches. The height is 11 and the width is 1 inch, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and print this out on my converted sublimation printer, which is the Epson ET2760 sublimation printer, converted sublimation printer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and press it, all right? I always press my designs at 330 for 60 seconds. I haven't changed that. It works for me. All right, so all the heat presses are different, so make sure you know the temperature for your heat press, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and print this out, and we're gonna go over to the heat press and press it on my keychain, and I'm also gonna resize it to go onto my lanyard, okay? All right, everyone, so here is the printer that I use. I purchased this from Office Depot about, it's been a couple years ago now. So this is the one that I converted over into sublimation. It is an Epson ET2760. It is a really great printer. The only thing about this one is that it prints at 8.5 by 11. It doesn't go any bigger than that. And this is the paper that I use. I use this A-Sub paper, the 125G, 8.5 by 11, okay? All right, so here is my Better Sub heat press. I absolutely love this heat press. I know a lot of people have been asking me about it. Now, I love it. It is really great, very affordable. It is linked in the description box below. This is a pink color. I think they had a purple also. They have different colors. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on because you turn it on right here on the side. And I already have it preset at 330 for 60 seconds. So that's the normal temperature that I use to press with when I press my shirts and different things like that. Now make sure you just find out what temperature works best for your machine because all machines are different, okay? All right. All right, so as you see, this is how it looks when it come out, all right? I printed on my A-Sub paper, my sublimation printer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my scissors and just cut this part off. And I know some of you may say, oh, you wasted paper, but I may have. This is my first time sublimating this keychain, so we're gonna see how it turned out. So I'm just gonna take it and cut right here, right at the, hopefully you can see, right on the edge here, okay? So we're gonna do it just like this. Now I could use my paper cutter that I have, but for some reason it seems like the blade is not sharp, so I need to see about either getting another blade or sharpening the blade on the if I can, on my paper cutter. All right, so just take it and cut along the lines here because you do not want any white spaces in your design. Okay. Now, the actual design does have some white in it, like, you know, in the middle of it, the way I designed it. But I don't want, like, the paper, the white paper edges, okay? So I'm just going to take it and cut it just like this. And I'm also going to cut it along the other side. And you want to get it as close as possible to the design, but you do not want to cut your design. Okay, so just keep cutting it. All right, and I'm just gonna cut, I don't know about, yeah, I don't think this part enough, so I'm gonna cut this part here. All right, so now what I have my keychain right here, and you have to have heat tape, okay, to put your design down. All of this is linked in the description box. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my design, what that is, I'm gonna turn it over like this, okay? I'm gonna take my design, I'm trying to figure out which way it go. I think this is the way it go. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay my keychain, the one that go around your wrist. I'm gonna lay it down just like this on my design. This is my design. So I'm just gonna lay this bottom part because I want it to go all the way down. So I'm gonna lay it down just like this. Make sure the entire keychain is covered with the design. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, now you could like sublimate one side, then come back and do the other side, but I just did the entire keychain. I did the measurements for the entire keychain. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this part and I'm going to fold it over. Okay, just like this. I need to come up just a little bit here. Try to see if I can get. Okay. We're gonna see if that works, okay? We're gonna believe that it's going to work out, okay? All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some heat tape, just like this, and I'm just going to find some kind of way I can tape it. Pick it up and just take it and pull it around just like that, okay? But make sure your design is still on your keychain. All right, you may find a better way to do it, but this is the way that I'm doing it, okay? And just wrap it around, just like that. Now I need to come and put some on this side, just to hold, because you want your design to be held down, okay? You don't want it to come up, or you don't want it to shift, okay? So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying not to use so much tape, but I wanted to make sure that it is down. Okay, y'all, so this is the way I did mine. Like I said, you may find a better way or quicker way or easier way to do yours. If so, let me know. All right, we're here to learn and to grow together. All right, so I'm gonna put one here at the bottom, just like this. And I'm just gonna put just a little one here, okay, right here. All right, and remember, this design is in my Etsy shop if you would like to purchase it. It is there for you. This is I don't know why this not staying down. I don't think I put the tape around it like I should have. All right, so now this is how I have it. It's down on the keychain, okay? So now I'm gonna go over to the heat press and go ahead and press it. All right, everyone, so remember I told you that when you're sublimating, make sure you get you a piece of butcher paper. And again, this is linked in the description box also. But I have a piece of that. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this bigger piece on. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to sublimate, I'm going to heat this side, then I'm gonna turn it over and heat this side, okay? So I'm just gonna put it here, press it down, okay? Again, my heat press is at 330 for 60 seconds. I'm just gonna place this over this. The butcher paper is just to keep your heat press from getting ink on it, okay? All right, so we're gonna press it. All right, it's finished. Let's open it. Okay. Let me see. Remember to have you some heat gloves. I have some right here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over to the other side. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and press this at 330 for 60 seconds also. Okay. Open it up, and now we're going to check on it, okay? We're going to see how it looks. Oh, that's hot. What was I thinking about, y'all? Because this part here, this little metal part of the keychain is hot. So y'all be careful. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna see if I can raise it up just a tad without, y'all, it looked like it did great. Okay, as you can see, the design is coming through. Hopefully you can see that on your side. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn this heat press off, then we're gonna go back over here and we're gonna let it cool down, and we're gonna look at it. Okay, all right everyone, so dropped it. All right everyone, so here is the keychain that I sublimated on. Remember, this is going to be mine. I'm going to do my daughter's one. She just pick her design, and you know, I'm gonna make her one. And make sure you follow me over on all social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, of course here on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe. I'm on TikTok, so make sure you go and follow me over on those channels, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to check it out. Let's go ahead and let me pull it down. Pull it down some. All right, so I have my little pick thing here to reveal it, to take some of the tape off. And just be careful if you use something like this, okay? Because sometimes this tape can act like it don't want to come off. All right, so now I can put this down and go ahead and, oh y'all, it's looking good. It's looking good. Look here, I love it. Okay, all right, so maybe we can take it off at one time. You ready? Look, y'all. Oh, this is gorgeous. Peace, love, and happy thought. Look how it turned out. I love this design. Remember, this design is on my Etsy shop, and this is a design that I did. I created it. So if you like it, then you go and check out my Etsy shop for it. So this is a wristlet, you know, one you put on your wrist, a keychain, but you put it on your wrist just like this. And you can put your keys on it, or pretty much whatever. If you if you have a badge at work, you can put your badge on it. And that's cute. Super cute, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the lanyard that I have. So let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so this is the lanyard that I'm about to show you how to do. Now, as you can see, the lanyard is going to be a lot longer than the one that I just did. So what I love about this one is that you can take it off. You can pop this. My nails get in the way. Just like this. Now when this goes up under the heat press, I'm gonna have to be careful because this is a hard plastic and I don't want it to melt. So what I don't want any white to show. I want it to be completely sublimated on the front and the back. That's the way I want mine. You can do yours any way you want to. And I want this to be sublimated also. So now what I got to do is go in here and just make the design. I may have to do maybe two or three, make 2 or 3 different designs the same designs, but different ones to place on here, because like I said, my sublimation printer only goes to 11. The height is 11. And when I measured this one, as you can see, this is going to be, I think it was like 15. I think it was like 15 when I measured it. So I think it's 15 on one side and 15 on the other. So we're going to go ahead and do the measurements for this, okay? All right, y'all. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing it the exact same way I did the this wristlet keychain. But the only thing about it is I'm going to have to do multiple. So this is the first one that I'm going to be doing. And I'm just going to have to take it and just place it over just like I did the other one. Just like so. Okay. So my printer is printing out another one. So what I'm going to do, I think this one stops. Yeah, this one stops here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another one. And I think I'm going to need about 3 of them for the front. And then I'm going to turn it over and do the back. Because I just want, I think I'm going to do the entire front and back. Okay. We'll see. It just depends, okay? So I'm also going to be doing this little part also. So I just got to resize to size this one and see what the size is and do this one, okay? All right, everyone. So I am done. Now, let me show you the lanyard that I told you I was going to be making. Now, I did the lanyard the same exact way that I did the keychain, okay? So as you see, this is the keychain. It turned out super cute, all right? Now, the lanyard, I had to put in some work with this, y'all. But it did turn out pretty good. I'm going to do one again, you know, just to practice with, because this is my first time doing it. And I know I can do it, all right? But it didn't turn out bad, as you can see right here, all right? Now, this lanyard here is, you have to kind of, you know, fix it around. Now, right here is where some lines, I guess when I did the, you know, I told you to put the sublimation paper down when you're sublimating. Now, what I did, I think I did it wrong. I put this down with, the lines was on the butcher paper. Okay, so always use a new piece of butcher paper after you have sublimated on, because many times you will have lines like this, or you will have the actual design that has come off onto the butcher paper. That's why you lay the butcher paper down, so that it won't mess up your heat press. Okay, it didn't mess up my heat press, but it did, the line did get on my lanyard, as you see right here. Okay, so I mean, this is something, it's for me, you know, it's going to be for me, I'm going to wear it to work. But of course you also want something to look really, really nice, especially if you're going to sell it. All right, so that's the video. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you all liked the video. Make sure you comment, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I love to read your comments. Let me know what you think of this video. All right, and don't forget that I have an Etsy shop. Go and check out my Etsy shop. Don't forget to like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the Aisha Design It family, where we learn and we grow together. All right, so you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.